Good morning students. It is a part 2 lecture under the computer aided design and manufacturing. Today's topic is basics of manual part programming. These are the contents we are going to discuss. What is NC, CNC, DNC system, the various G codes and M codes used in the part programming, then structure of part programming, then example questions asked from previous years. It is a history of NC and CNC machine. In 1940s, John Person developed the first machine which can used for drilling operation at specific coordinates programmed on punched cards. In 1951, MIT developed servo mechanism for individual access of a machine. In 52, MIT developed first NC machine for milling operation. In 1970, first CNC machine introduced in the industries. Nowadays, modified 70s machines are used in industries. What is numerical control system? The name implies a system is controlled by numbers is called numerical control system. The definition for NC system, it is defined as a form of automatic control over the machining process of a machine tool by numbers, letters and symbols. These numbers, letters and symbols for making of a particular component. These are the basic components of NC system: program of instructions, machine control unit and machine tool. The program of instructions which tells the machine what to do. It has detailed step-by-step instructions. Then machine control unit, it has 6 subcomponents: tape reader, data buffer, signal output channels, feedback channels, sequence control unit, control panel. Tape reader, it reads the instruction in the punched card or punched tape. It converts the information, punched card information into machine code information. Data buffer stores the punched card information in terms of block of information. It does not store the entire program on the punched card. It stores only block of information. Signal output channel, it sends the information to the machine tool. Feedback channels receive the information from the machine tool. Sequence control unit coordinating the all other elements in the machine control unit. Control panel has dials and switches for operating the machine tool and control unit. Machine third major component is the machine tool. It does useful work. It converts the raw material into finished product. It carries the work table, spindle, tool pictures and different servo motors for individual access. Next, CNC. NC machine is integrated with a computer, is called computer numerical control system. In NC machines, punched tape is to be fed repeatedly to produce repeated job. But CNC, tape is fed once and programs and the data are stored in the computer memory. In NC system, does not have computer memory. It does not have computer. Therefore, every time for producing a component, we can insert the punched card or punched tape into the tape reader. But here in CNC system, it has a computer memory. Once the programs and the data are stored in the computer memory, we can retrieve the program at any time. We can modify the program also. In CNC, the machines are equipped with increasingly powerful computers. In addition of these, NC becomes powerful CNC machines, like it can do canned cycles, subprogramming, cutter compensation, work coordinates, coordinate system rotation, automatic corner rounding, chamfering and B-spline interpolation, also done in CNC system. These are the advantages and disadvantages of CNC system. It has n number of advantages. It produces high precision, accurate components like aircraft parts, and it producing high volume of production. It can develop, it can make complex and surfaces need to be machined. Example, turbines, turbine blades. Flexibility in job change, automatic tool settings, less scrap, more safe in CNC system, better quality of components can be produced. It has less paperwork, faster prototype production, reduction in lead times. Disadvantages: the machine is costly one compared to conventional machines. Skilled operators are needed. Maintenance is difficult here. Programming knowledge is required here. What is DNC? Direct Numerical Control System. It is a manufacturing system in which number of machines are controlled by a computer through direct connection and in real time. A central computer controlling the n number of machines. The central computer has bulk memory unit. A single computer controls the n number of machines. It is called DNC system. It's also a DNC, Distributed Numerical Control. A main computer is called the host computer, which sends the information to the satellite computer. The satellite computer controls the individual NC machine. It is called the Distributed Numerical Control. It reduces the load of a server computer, main computer. These are the basic components of DNC system. Central computer, bulk memory for storing information, communication network, and NC machines. Advantages of DNC. Here, greater computational capability and flexibility. Central computer and bulk memory which stores the NC programs. Shop floor control is very easy here. Establishing the framework for evaluation of future automation and sim. These are the various types of CNC machines. Under the group 1, machine tools having rotating tool like milling, drilling, boring and tapping machines. In group 2, machine tool has the rotating workpiece like lathe. Under the group 3, non-rotating workpiece and non-rotating tool like shaper, planer, EDM, wire cut machines. Under the group 4, other than the above 3 categories, NC machine can be used for drafting and cutting purpose also. It is under the group 4. The classification of NC system according to the number of axes used, 2, 3, 4 and 5 axes. According to the coordinate system followed in the CNC or NC system, absolute or incremental mode. According to the feedback device, analog or digital feedback devices used. According to the servo control system, open loop or closed loop. According to the motion control system, point-to-point control, straight cut or contouring part. It is a controller. It is a software which controlling the program in different languages is known as controller. Fanuc, Heidenhain, Sinumeric, Laxmi Numeric, which is the Indian manufacturer. These are the controller unit used in the CNC machine. Axis convention used in CNC machine. First, CNC lathe or turning center. It has only 2 axes. Here we can produce cylindrical components. Therefore, there are 2 axes are used here in CNC lathe or turning center. Z axis represents the spindle. X axis represents the diameter of the workpiece. This one Z, the workpiece which is held in machine spindle. Z represents the spindle axis. Here the length is represented as in Z axis. X represents the diameter of the workpiece. Here the radial movement of the cutting tool. Axis convention used in machining center or CNC milling machine. It's a 3-axis machine. The Z axis is along the spindle axis. X and Y axis are perpendicular to Z axis. Z axis is spindle axis. This one is a vertical axis. This is a Z axis. This one X. This one Y. It's a machine table axis X and Y. It's a longitudinal axis. Leftward and rightward movement of the table is a X axis. This one perpendicular to the X, which is called Y axis. This one it is used for cross feed movement of the machine tool. Rotary axis along the principal axis X, Y and Z, A, B and C. It is the AB. Using thumb rule we can provide the direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise direction of rotary axis. Along the X direction, rotary axis A, along the direction Y, rotary axis B, then third one, rotary axis B, along the Z direction. The axis convention in vertical machining center VMC. This is spindle axis Z. The upward movement of the spindle is Z positive, downward movement of the spindle is Z negative. This one X, it's a work table, machine table movement, X longitudinal feet, X negative for leftward, X positive for rightward. This one cross feed movement of the table towards the operator, negative, away from the operator, it's a positive. A coordinate system used in the CNC system. There are two coordinate systems, absolute and incremental or relative. Z90 code is used for absolute coordinate system. It is the point P, it is listed here. The point P is defined 3, 3 as a coordinate, X unit 3, Y coordinate 3. The point Q is defined 6, 7 in the absolute coordinate system. In absolute coordinate system, any point is defined with reference to the origin or 0 point. 0 point is the lower left corner of the table. It's a 0 point or origin. Any point is defined with respect to the origin 0, 0. The point P is defined 3, 3. The point Q is defined with reference to the origin 6, 7 in Z90. In incremental mode or relative mode, the Z91 code is used. The point P is defined from the origin 3, 3. The next location is defined in the Z91 incremental or relative coordinate. It is defined as 3, 4. In relative or incremental, we define the point with reference to the previous point. Here the point Q is defined with reference to the previous location. X coordinate is incremented from 3 units plus 3 units. It is incremented with 6. Then Y coordinate is incremented with 4. X coordinate 3, Y coordinate 4. The point P is defined 3, 3. The next whole location 6, 7 in Z90, but in Z91 next whole location is defined with reference to the previous whole location or previous location. X is incremented with 3, therefore this one Q of 3 In y coordinate, it is incremented with 4 units. Therefore, in incremental mode, the point Q is defined 3, 4. There are two motion control used in CNC system. First one, point to point. Here the work table can be moved at specific coordinate system at a particular point x, y. It's a point 1, point 2 and point 3. The work table can be moved at specific coordinates only. It is called point to point motion control system. Next, motion control system, continuous control. In continuous control, there are two motion systems, straight cut and contour path. In straight cut, the axis is controlled with any one of the major axes. Like here, the tool path is moved from this point to this point. Here, the tool point is controlled parallel with the x-axis only. It's a straight cut. Here also it's a straight cut. The tool is controlled parallel with the x-axis. For this direction, this one is a straight line in upward direction. Here the motion is controlled parallel with the y-axis. In straight cut, the tool can be moved parallel with any one of the major axes. It's a straight cut. Under the contour path, the tool can be controlled for 2 or more axes. Here, the tool is moved towards this direction. Here, the tool is controlled x and y direction simultaneously. It is called contour path. This one is a circular interpolation. The tool is moved from this point to this point. It is controlled for both axes x and y direction. It is called contour path. It is used to make the circular and parabolic and hyperbolic profile shapes. For straight cut, it is used to make the straight cut like a turning operation. It is a program structure used in the part program. Every program started with alphabet Go. Program contents are called MC blocks. Each block carries a individual words. Each word is carrying a alphabet code G, R, M, R, S, or F. It is addressed with alphabets. End of the program is mentioned by a M30. It is the part program format. A program is started with alphabet O, and then N is a sequence number, is a block identification number. Then G is a preparatory function. G90 to G99 codes are used. It prepares the machine for next operation. X, Y, Z are the primary linear axis. U, V, W is a secondary motion dimension in the X, Y, Z directions. P, Q are territory motion dimension along the X, Y, Z directions. I, J, K, these are the distance to the arc center or thread leads parallel to the X, Y, Z respectively. A, B, C are rotary axis along the X, Y, Z directions. R represents radius, F feed rate, S spindle speed, T tool number, M miscellaneous function, end of B is the end of block. This is the format. First, every program block is started with sequence number represented by alphabet N, G preparatory function which prepares the machine, then X, Y, Z, these are destination of the movement of the tool or table. X, Y, Z destination coordinates. I, J, K are the distance to the center of the circle. I, J, K represents the center of the circle. F for feed rate, S spindle speed, T tool number, M is a miscellaneous function. What is G code or preparatory function? These codes use the information contained on the line which makes the machine tool do specific operations like Z00 for rapid movement of the tool. Move the tool at a speed rate along a straight line means Z01. Z02 and Z03 for circular interpolation in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. M codes are miscellaneous or auxiliary function which is used for switching operation like coolant on off, spindle on off, forward direction, reverse direction of penstock, then spindle. It is used for auxiliary functions. These are not related to any dimensional movement like M03 is a clockwise direction, spindle on in clockwise direction, M06 for tool change, M30 represents the end of the program. These are the important G codes used in the for program. Z00 is the movement of the tool or table with rapid traverse. Here there is no metal removed. In Z01 here metal is removed. Here we gave some speed rate in this linear interpolation. Tool is moved in straight cut. Z02 circular interpolation in clockwise direction. Z03 counterclockwise direction. Z04 for 12. G20 is used for dimensions in inches. For metric units Z21. Z28 for automatic return point, 0 return point. Z40 is used for cutter compensation cancel. Tool nose radius also compensation in turning center. 41 for left of part surface. 42 for tool nose radius or cutter diameter right in machining center. 43 for tool length compensation in turning center. Z80 for canned cycle cancel. 81 drilling cycle. These are canned cycle codes. 82 drilling cycle with 12. 83 deck drilling cycle for deep drilling. 84 tapping cycle. 85 boring or reaming. 86 boring operation. 87 back boring cycle. 90 is used for obsolete coordinate system. 91 incremental coordinate system. 94 is represented in drilling feet per minute. 95 feet per revolution. Z98 and 99 for turning center. Mm per minute, mm per revolutions for the feed rate. These are the important M codes used in for programming. M00 optional program stop automatic. M01 optional program stop attend request. 02 program N. 03 spindle on clockwise direction. M04 spindle on counterclockwise. M05 spindle stop. M06 tool change. M06 is an important one. It is used for tool change. M07 is a coolant on. M08 coolant on in flood. M09 is used for coolant off. M30 which is used for end of the program or reset to restart. M98 for subprogram call. M99 for program N. It's a format for Z00 rapid traverse. The format for Z00 is a G90 obsolete coordinate system follow Z00 rapid traverse. It makes the machine move at maximum speed. It is called a rapid traverse. It is used for positioning the motion. Here the destination point is given as 20 x20 y10. This is a starting point can be moved from origin 0, 0, then 10, 10. It is it's a end point. It is defined this point here. Destination point 20, 10 x coordinate and y coordinate. It is moved from 10, 10 to 20, 10. X is incremented 20, then y coordinate is same. It's obsolete code. Each and every point is represented from the origin 0, 0. These two are destination points. Here we need not give the feed rate in Z00. It's a rapid traverse. Z01, it is a linear interpolation. It is a format used for, it is a sequence number. This is Z01. It's a destination of the movement x, y, z, then feed rate. The tool moves along a straight line in one or two axes simultaneously at a programmed linear speed with a given feed rate. For turning operation or phasing operation, the major axis controlled parallel with any one of the x or y. Suppose taper turning operation, x and z are controlled simultaneously. We are giving both x and z in turning center. Suppose it is used in drilling or milling, we can use simultaneously x and y for taper profile. F is feed rate. This is a format for linear interpolation. It is used for straight cut and contour like taper turning. So example, here the tool is moved in this direction. It moves upward. There is a starting point. Here we have used G91 or incremental move. It is incremental from this point. It is a previous point, starting point of the line. This one. It is incremented with 200 units in x-axis. Then along the y direction 100 units incremental. The feed rate is 200. 94 or 95 means mm per minute or mm per revolution in Michelin center. The Z02 or Z03 circular interpolation in clockwise or counterclockwise. In clockwise direction, the cutter can be moved from this direction to this direction. Clockwise directional arc is Z02. Z03 counterclockwise direction. Cutter can be moved upward direction. So counterclockwise. Z03 here used. Here Z02 is used. It's a format used in Z02 or Z03. It's a format used for clockwise, not to Z03 for anti-clockwise directional arc. It's a destination of the arc. X, Y, Z is the end of the arc or destination of the arc. I, J, K are the center of the arc corresponding to the X, Y and Z. I, J, K are the center of the arc with reference to the X, Y and Z. F is the feed rate. Using the arc center. For I, J, K used for the arc center. Then one more format for using the radius of the arc, X, Y, Z, and we provide the radius of the arc. Instead of giving I, J, K, we can use radius of the arc. We can use both the formats for making the arc. I, J, K for center of the arc, R for radius of the arc. There are two formats used in circular interpolation. Z02 for clockwise directional arc, Z03 for counterclockwise directional arc. For providing the center of the arc in X and Y, so center of the arc defined in the I and J. Instead of providing center of the arc, we can give directly radius of the arc. radius of the arc. It replaces the I and j coordinates. Is the endpoint I x y, endpoint of the arc, circle center or radius ij or r. There are two formats used in the circular interpolation. It is a circular interpolation using the center of the arc. I, j, k are the incremental distance from the starting point of the arc. It is the starting point of the arc. The arc can be produced from this point to this point. The I and j is the center of the arc. These three I, j, k are defined with respect to the along the x direction. X is the center of the arc is defined, is incremented with I unit. This one, it is incremented along the direction, y direction, j units. I, j, k are incremental distance from the starting point of the arc. At being the start of the arc as the origin, I, j, k have the positive or negative signs. In upward direction, it's a positive y value. Suppose downward means y negative. For rightward movement, I is positive. For leftward movement, I negative. It's a center of the arc defined with I, j, k. It's a cutter offset compensation or tool length compensation. G40, 41, 42 codes are used. For tool in turning center, tool nose radius or machining center, cutter offset compensation cancel. For cancelling the cutter compensation or tool nose radius, G40 is used. G41 and the tool is moved left of arc surface. It's a tool nose radius compensation in leftwards. 42 for right of arc surface. The diagram indicates the cutter can be moved from left of arc surface. It's a what surface? The cutter is moved left of arc surface. It's a G41 code. The cutter compensation means here it's a work profile. You have to create. It's a work profile. It's a work profile you have to create. The cutter is moved this direction. Cutter part this direction can be moved this direction. The diameter of the cutter is an example 50 mm. Therefore, radius of the cutter 25 is cancelled. It is represented here 41 and 42. Suppose the cutter can be moved as per this case, G42 is used. The cutter is moved along the right of arc surface. The cutter can be moved here right of arc this direction. It can be moved upward, then it moves downward. The diameter of the cutter, it means the radius of the cutter is compensation. It is represented in cutter offset compensation. It is a tool bar, it is a cutter profile, it is a required work component profile. The cutter diameter is compensation with 41 and 42. Cutter can be moved left of arc surface means 41. Suppose the cutter can be moved right of arc surface, we provide the code G42. It is a format G41, then destination of the work movement x, y, D is not a diameter of the cutter here, it is the register number. Here the diameter of the cutter, suppose the diameter of the cutter, we have used ML cutter 50 mm, the diameter of the cutter 50 mm which is stored in the register number. The value of 50 is stored in the register number. Suppose the register number 1, D is the register number in the controller unit. The value of the diameter is stored in the register number 1. D is a diameter here. Here the value of the diameter of the cutter is stored in the register number 1. D is the diameter, D is the register of the diameter value stored in the corresponding register number. This is the D value. 42 for right of offset. As per sketch here, we use the G42. Cutter can be moved right of offset. This 42 is used. Canned cycle, it simplifies the programming. It means it is used for repeated operations. It combines many programming operations and are designed to shorten the program length, minimize mathematical calculation, and use minimal tool motions. Example, drilling operation. Drilling operation has a hole location pointing, then drilling for a depth, then withdrawal, then next hole location movement. These three steps are repeated. In turning operation or a box turning, first tool approach, then we set the depth of that, then machining, then withdrawal, then comes to first point. These 4 steps are repeated. For repeated step, canned cycles are used. Box turning and drilling cycle. Drilling for a particular depth for more number of holes. The repeated operations are repeated cycles. We can use canned cycles. G81 for drilling, 82 dual we can use, 83 peg drilling cycle, 84 right hand tapping cycle, 85 boring or reaming, 86 boring cycle, back boring cycle, 87, 74 left hand tapping, G76 fine boring cycle. Then we are going to discuss the example problems. First problem, consider the following statements regarding numerically controlled machine tools. These 3 statements are given. 1. They reduce non-productive time, they reduce picturing, they reduce maintenance cost. Consider the following statements regarding numerical control machine. NC machine has it reduces non-productive time. Okay, it reduces picturing, it reduces maintenance cost. Which of the statements are correct? In NC or CNC machine, the maintenance is difficult, but it reduces the non-productive time. Therefore, productivity rate is improved in NC and CNC. And also, it's an automatic tool setting and job setting. Easy to change the job change. Therefore, it reduces the picturing. Therefore, the answer is the maintenance is very difficult in NC system. Therefore, the option is both the statements are correct here. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and 1 and 3. This one is a wrong statement. Maintenance cost is reduced is a wrong statement. The answer is B. First 2 statements are correct. Rate of productivity is high. Therefore, it reduces the non-productive time. Picturing is automated. Therefore, it reduces the picturing cost. Therefore, but maintenance cost is costly one. Therefore, the first 2 statements are correct. Answer is B. Statements 1 and statement 2 are correct. And problem, example problem 2. What is the purpose of satellite computers in distributed numerical control machine? DNC has 2 setup, direct numerical control, then one more distributed numerical control. In distributed numerical control, what is the purpose of using satellite computer? It acts as a standby system to share the processing of large size NC program, to serve a group of NC machines, to network with another DNC setup. DNC has a single computer can be used for controlling the multiple machines, multiple NC machines. Or host computers sends the information to the satellite computer. Each satellite computer controls the group of machines. Therefore, the answer is C. It serves a group of NC machine. A DNC machine, a computer controls the group of NC machines. Therefore, the answer is C. Then example problem 3. Consider the following advantages of DNC systems. Consider the following advantages of DNC. Time sharing, greater computational capability, remote computer location. Which of the above is or correct? 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 2 only, 1, 2 and 3. The option is 1, 2 and 3. All the 3 statements are correct. DNC system, time sharing is possible, greater computational capability, remote computer location. A central common computer which is located away from the NC machine. Greater computational facility, is a common computer which has a powerful computer. Therefore, it is also correct. Time sharing also possible. Therefore, the 3 statements are correct. The option B is correct. Then example 4. There are 4 system and 4 corresponding statements are given. Match the list 1 with list 2. First one NC, CNC, DNC, then machining center. First one, it has an integrated automatic tool changing unit and a component indexing device. Then second statement, a number of machine tools are controlled by a computer. A number of machine tools are controlled by a computer. No tape reader or program is transmitted directly to the machine tool from the computer memory. Here we can easily identify that machine tools are controlled by a computer. Therefore, it represents the DNC system. Here we have no tape reader or program is transmitted directly to the machine tool from the computer bulk memory. Therefore, it is matched with DNC. Then third statement, the controller consists of software computer and hardware logic. Graphic display of toolpath is also possible. Simulation also possible. Therefore, here a controller consists of hardware. Graphic display of toolpath is possible means it is used for CNC system. Third statement is matched with CNC, computer numerical control. Then fourth one, the instructions on tape is prepared in binary decimal form and operated by a series of coded instructions. We discussed NC system using the punched card and punched tape. The informations are punched in binary form, 0 and 1. 0 is a punched hole. It represents the program of instruction and it is stored in data buffer in individual statement. Therefore, this statement is matched with NC system. Therefore, A4, B3, C2. Then in last one, machining center. It has an integrated automatic tool changer. ATC is nothing but a automatic tool changer. It is the tool can be selected from the tool magazine. Tool magazine is a tool storing unit. By using ATC unit, we pick the tool for the corresponding machining operation. And indexing device. The ATC and tool magazine and indexing device, these two are used in machining center or milling machine or DMC. Therefore, the statement is, the first statement is matched with machining center D1. Therefore, Which one is correct? Here there are four options. D1, A4, B3, C2 and D1. NC system matched with A4. This one A4, B3, C2 and D1. Then problem number, example problem 5. This was asked from 2015 GATE exam. The marks for this question 1 mark. It's a dealing operation. Can you able to read the question? A. The drill is positioned at point P. This is the drill position P, and it has to be proceed to point Q. It can be moved this point to this point, P to Q. The coordinates of Q in the incremental system of defining position of a point in CNC part program will be. We have to find out the point Q in incremental mode. This sketch represents the drilling operation. The point P is defined 3, 5. At point P, here the values are given here. Point P is defined 3, 5. 3, 5. Point Q has 7, 7 and 12. 7 and 12 in absolute coordinate system. The point P is taken from origin 3, 5. Along the x direction 3, along the y direction 5. The coordinates of P is 3, 5. Coordinates of Q in absolute Z code, Z90 code 7. The values are taken from the origin 0, 0, coordinates of Q are 3, 7 and 12. 7 and 12 in Z90 absolute mode. But the question asks from the incremental mode and incremental system. Therefore, the coordinates of Q is taken from the previous point location, previous pole location or previous point. Therefore, it is incremental with 4 units and incremental with 7 units. Therefore, the answer is 4, 7. The coordinates of Q is calculated with reference to the previous pole location in incremental mode or relative mode. Q is taken from the 4 units along the x direction, 7 units from the y direction. 12 minus 5, 7. Here 4 units incremental. The dimensions are given here incremental mode. Therefore, directly we take the 4 units in x coordinate. Here we have to subtract the value from 12. 12 minus 5, 7. In x coordinate 4, y coordinate 7. This is the answer. The coordinates of Q 4, 7 in incremental mode. Suppose in absolute mode the coordinates are 7, 12. So example problem 6, which is asked from date 2010. Here also 1 more question. In a CNC program block, NC block, it's a sequence number 002. Z02 represents the Z02, Z91 for P, Z40, then Z02 and Z91 represents a set of statements followed. There are 4 options. Circular interpolation clockwise direction, circular interpolation in clockwise counterclockwise direction, circular interpolation clockwise direction and incremental mode, circular interpolation in clockwise and absolute dimension. There are 2 codes used in sequence number 002, Z02 and Z91. We take this block. Z02 for clockwise direction or Z91 for incremental. Therefore, the option 3 is correct. Circular interpolation in clockwise and incremental dimension. Example problem 7. This is asked from 2017. Yeah. A circular arc on a part profile is being machined on a vertical CNC milling machine. CNC part program using metric units with absolute dimension is listed below. There are two conditions is given here. Metric units and absolute coordinates followed here. Metric units means Z21, absolute means Z90. Both are used. There are three statements given. Z01, X30, Y55, Z5, then feed rate 50. Z02, X50, Y35, R20, Z01, Z5. The question is the coordinates of the center of the circular arc. The coordinates of the center of the circular arc. There are we have discussed there are two formats. One is the radius of the arc. R is used for radius of the arc. Then I, J, K for center of the arc. Here the N70 statement, sequence number N70 statement providing the radius of the arc. The question, as per question, we have to calculate the center of the arc. Center of the arc. There are three statements given. Here Z01, X30, Y55. The next one Z02. Therefore, the N70 Z02 is a circular direction, circular clockwise direction arc. The starting point of the arc is the previous statement, N60th statement, X30, Y55. This X and Y are end of the arc. Can you understand? X30, Y55 is the starting point of the arc. These coordinates are destination of or end of the arc. X30, Y55 is the starting point, 60th line, sequence number 60th. Therefore, starting point of the arc 30, 55. Z02 circular clockwise direction can be moved from this direction to this direction. You can moving the two from this direction, clockwise direction. Starting point 30, 55. End point of the arc 50, 35. 50, 35. 50. This one 50, 35. This one starting. This one end point. How do you calculate starting and end point of the arc? The previous line is a starting point of the line. This line represents the circular clockwise direction arc, then end point of the arc. Then this format given radius of the arc 20. Therefore, we mark the starting point, end point, then one more radius value 20 here. Radius 20. 50 minus 20, 30. Y coordinates are here. 55 minus 20, therefore 35. The radius of the arc is 20, therefore this one starting, this one end point of the arc, radius value is given, therefore 50 minus 30, 50 minus 20, radius 20 is subtracted from the 50, center of the arc 30, 50 minus 20, 30, then 55 minus 20, 35. This is the center of the arc. You have to subtract the radius of the arc from 55 minus 20, 50 minus 20. We get 30, 35. This is the center of the arc. This is the correct answer. 30, 35. The option is D. Example problem 8. There are two sets are given. Match the following. NC code and G code and name codes are given here. And the corresponding definitions are given in right side. M05, Z01, Z04, Z90. Absolute coordinate, we have discussed Z90 for absolute, this one. Therefore, the answer is S1, Z90 for absolute. Dwell time, dwell for Z04. Therefore, S1, R2. Then spindle stop, M03 for spindle on, M05 for spindle stop. This one M05 for spindle stop. Then Z01 for linear interpolation. Z01 for linear interpolation. Therefore, matching for M05 P. P is matched with spindle stop. P3. Here P3, there are two options matched with P3, B and C. Then Z01 linear interpolation, Q4. Here also Q4, Q4. Z04 is a dual, R2. Here R1 is given, here R2 is given. And one more Z90, S4. Sorry, S1. Therefore, the answer is C. Spindle stop, linear interpolation, dual, absolute. The answer is matched with the left hand side is matched with right hand side, and the correct answer is 3. C, option C. Then example problem 9. It is asked from 2016. Here also match the following. Left side has the sum of the G code and M codes. Right side has the explanation for the corresponding codes. Z01, already previous question also Z01 is given here. Z01 for linear interpolation. P4 is matched with here. Here also two options are matched with P4. Z03 circular interpolation in counterclockwise direction. Q3 here Q3 is matched. M03 for spindle on, previous one. M05 for spindle off, this one spindle on in clockwise direction. R1, sorry, spindle R1 is R2 is spindle rotation, spindle on in clockwise direction. M05 spindle stop. Therefore, R2 S1. R2 S1. This is the correct matching. C is the option C is the correct answer. Linear interpolation, circular interpolation in anti-clockwise, spindle rotation clockwise, M05 for spindle stop. This is an example problem 10. Here we use some calculation. A CNC vertical machine VMC has to cut a straight slot of 10 mm width and 2 mm depth by a cutter of 10 mm diameter between the points 0, 0 and 100, 100 on the XY plane. Dimensions in millimeter. The feed rate used for is 50 mm per minute. The VMC can be used for creating a slot for the dimensions of 10 mm width and 2 mm depth. The slot dimension 10 and 2 for the using of cutter 10 mm diameter cutter. The slot is produced from 0, 0 to 100, 10. Slot is produced from 0, 0 to 100, 100. Feed rate value also is given 50 mm per minute. The feed rate is used for milling operation 50 mm per minute. You have to calculate milling time for the slot in seconds. You have to calculate the time for milling operation for the slot reducing the size of the 10 mm width and 2 mm depth. The answer is B. How we can calculate the 170 seconds. The explanation for the previous question. The starting point of the slot created the origin 0, 0, end point of the slot 10, 10. Starting point of the slot, this is the end point of the slot. This one starting, this one end point of the slot. It can be incremented 100 and x direction incremented with 100 units in y direction. Therefore, the distance of the slot is the length of the slot. D is equal to length and distance of the slot equal to 100 square root of 100 square plus 100 square. First, we have to calculate the length of the slot. The distance moved for the preparing the slot. It's a distance moving the slot. It's a taper movement. Square root of 100 square plus 100 square. The distance of the slot 141.42 millimeter. Feed rate is given 50 mm per minute. 50 mm per minute. Have to calculate mm per second. Therefore, divided by 60, 0.33 millimeter per second. Feed rate in terms of mm per second. First, we have calculated distance of the slot. Then we have calculated time taken for creating the slot, millimeter per second. So feed rate, movement of the cutter for 0.833 millimeter per second. The cutter can be moved 0.33 millimeter per second. Time taken to travel the distance D. For taking the travel distance 141.42, how much it takes the time? 141.42 divided by the feet in terms of mm per second. The problem feed rate is given mm per minute. We have converted mm per second. First, we have to calculate the distance of the slot. Then distance divided by feed rate in terms of mm per second. 141.42 divided by 0.333, we get 170 seconds. It is the time taken for creating the slot at a time of, at a distance of D. 141.42 distance. The time taken for creating the slot size of width 2 mm and 2 mm depth. It takes 170 seconds. Okay. Students, what are the topics we covered in this lecture? The basics of definitions of MC, CNC, direct numerical control, then structure of the program. In structure, what are the G codes and M codes used in the program format. Then some of the example problems asked in previous GATE exams. These are the references used for the presentation making. Please students,